What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I have some more deals for you today. First up, I have a poll. I have a question to ask all of you guys. Answer it in the comments below. Would you rather this Porter Cable 6-tool combo kit? Everything is brushed. All right, so I'm gonna show you three. All these things are brushed for $269.10. Would you rather this Craftsman over at Lowe's for $199, 6-tool again, same tools, reciprocating saw, circular saw, impact driver, drill, an oscillating tool, and a flashlight, 2 batteries. The battery sizes are probably different between the two kits. This is two 2-amp-hour batteries. This one is also two 2-amp-hour batteries. This one's $199. Or would you go ryobi for $199 on a 6-tool combo kit? Again, same exact tools. I think this one is a 4-amp-hour. So it's 4-amp-hour and a 1.5-amp-hour battery. That 1.5-amp-hour battery is just worthless. But it'll make it move. For also $199. I just wanted to know. All of them are brushed. I just want to know which brand, based on reputation, would you guys go with? I'm going to save my thoughts for the next video or just answer it in the comments. Moving on over to eBay. If you're looking for a power station, EcoFlow is having a sale on their refurbished stuff. You know, they just also released their new Delta Pro 3. So this is also on discount right now. If you bought this standalone unit, you would save $500 off the rip. $36.99. You can get it for $31.99. I'm going to grab one and a Delta Pro and compare the two. This is actually a Delta Pro 2. I just call it Delta Pro. And see whether you even need to upgrade. So you could just stick around for that video as well. They also have this outdoor solar panel, 175-watt solar panel for $199. They pride themselves on designing it in a way that it fits the van life perfectly. It won't have any overhang, will be too long for a Class B van. Then we also have the charger, their new DC-DC charger, which is actually quite good. I've done some videos on it on the other channel. $399 is a steal for this thing, and I've done some pretty cool things with it. It's a regular DC to DC charger, which will pull from the alternator through the battery, and it'll charge other batteries or power stations. You have a lot of control in the app, and you can reverse charge. So I've also demoed that in one of the last videos on the other channel. I'll leave a link to that, where I use the power station to charge the house battery. So there you have that. And I did that in my living room, so it doesn't even need to be connected to a car. Moving on over to Lowe's, we have this DeWALT angle grinder deal for $249. You have this XR grinder with an 8-amp-hour battery, a rapid charge in the bag. Now, if you weren't sure if that was a deal, here's the Home Depot version of this angle grinder for $249, tool only. Bye. Now, Torque Test channel did review both of those, and we found, I believe, it depends. I think that angle grinder from Lowe's is a little weaker than the one from Home Depot, but for the same price as a kit, it wasn't that big of a deal. Then we have more Craftsman, this starter kit, 2-amp-hour battery, 4-amp-hour battery for $99, matching, again, the ryobi deal from yesterday, but you have, to me, better tools to choose from. You have this ratchet. Yeah, the oscillating tool, 6.5-inch circular saw as usual, orbital sander, and all of that. Then also the 6-amp-hour, 4-amp-hour bundle with better tools. All right, all the brushless stuff going on here with the bigger circular saw and all that belt sander, all that good stuff there. You can check that out for $149. Coming over here to Home Depot, you have the same or similar ryobi deal for $199 with a 4-amp-hour two 4-amp-hour batteries and a 2-amp-hour. It used to be a 6, 4, and 2. They are really they pinching now, man. This used to be 6, 4, 2. This was just over the holiday season, and you get to choose from these brushless tools over here, very similar, but you have less to choose from. You have this ratchet that does rotate and all that. But again, you have more to choose from. On the Craftsman side, as for a total of 10 amp hours of battery, I like this 6 amp hour battery. With the ryobi, it's also 10 amp hours of battery. So you be the judge there. This is why I asked y'all that question in the beginning of the video. Moving on, we have this Stanley T-handle multi-bit screwdriver set. Man, T-handle bits, I mean, they're expensive. I've even tried I hawk them at auctions, and they just get out of pocket real fast. So $12.27 for a brand new kit is not bad. Granted, they're not all soldered in one piece with a whole bunch of T-handles, but I prefer this setup because all those T-handles, to me, it just becomes cumbersome to maintain. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this video, I ask you to leave me a like, subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future, share it with your brethren. I'll see you guys next time.